Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. In today's video, we'll be creating this pink reversed eyeliner look for you. So without any further ado, let's begin. That was it for the video guys. I hope you liked it. Do try out this look and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also, because you like our content so much, join the MyGlamm POPxo Insider program and get ₹150 off on all beauty products. The link is in the description box below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye!
Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Oh